Hey, Ivy and Jute family. How are you doing? I hope you had a super blessed week so far. I have. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Kim. All right, y'all, this is a haul video from DecoupageCentral.com. If you see anything in this video that you would like, I will have the link down in the description box and in the pinned comment where you can get yourself some of this rice paper too. It's beautiful, y'all. Look at the art. It's just gorgeous. This cardinal with the snowy branches and all that. Gosh, it's pretty. And here I'm showing y'all the size. Nothing fancy around here, Ivy and Jute, huh? So the first ones I was showing y'all was 8 1/4 by 11 3/4. Now these little pieces here is 5 1/4 by 4. And these bigger ones is right back at the 8 1/4 by 11 1/4. Look at that roaster, y'all. Then we've got some type of like wood, and see the rusty, crusty hinges and latches and all that on it. Pretty. Then we got old St. Nick's helpers. And this one. Look at this barn, y'all. That's perfect for something fall. If you got a fall project. And y'all, Miss Jonelle sent me this goodie bag or goodie box, however you want to describe it, the other day. And I want y'all to know that she is selling out fast. So if you see anything in this video that you like, go get it now and go look around on her website. She also sells Iron Orchid Design products, Pent Art products. Some of these rice papers you'll see, like right here is AB Studios, I believe. That decoupage paper. She sells Royce Cycles products. And so she's got plenty to choose from on her site. So y'all go check it out. And if y'all use the link down in the description box or the comment box, comment section, I will receive a small commission off of your order at no extra cost to you. That way I can just kind of turn around and put the money back into the Ivy and Jute family and get more crafting supplies and things like that. And there is a new IOD release coming out, y'all, on the 5th. And I would love it if y'all would use this link, the DecoupageCentral.com link, and order all your IOD supplies this coming new release. But see these two different sizes with the Santa Claus paper on them? And the paper that I'm writing down the measurements has done pushed off to the sides. I don't know how big it was. But this one, here we go. Hold up. Let's see what this little fancy stuff says here. This one is 20 by 30. And it's big, y'all. And I mean, also the price. So all of you viewers and subscribers and all, that can't afford Iron Orchid Designs, or even some of Royce Cycles decoupage paper, or the JRV paper. At Decoupage Central, this is $3.50. Some of them $3.25. So it's very, very affordable, y'all. And Miss Jonelle, the owner and creator behind Decoupage Central, is a sweetheart. And here's some Pent Art, y'all, supplies. This is the fine line crackle, which you have a solution 1 and solution B, or component 1, component 2. And then here's the varnish for the decoupage medium that I can't wait to try out for the first time in the place of Mod Podge. And this is varnish as well. And as you can see, it's got like a little shimmer of copper in it. So I'm going to test all these out, and I'll bring y'all along on the journey with me. All right, y'all, don't forget to check the links out in the comment or description box to get all your art supplies from DecoupageCentral.com. And all of you have a very safe week. And if you're in the path of the Hurricane Idalia over here on the East Coast, my prayers are with y'all that you and your family are safe. And I plan on hunkering down till it's over with. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a blessed week. I love y'all. I thank y'all all for your support, your likes, your comments, your subscribes, sharing the video out, and love y'all.